Good evening, respected dignitaries and respected all my dear NSS viewers. So today my topic is child issues and also we need to discuss about rights. Okay. So what are the child issues we are facing, especially in the India? So what are problems we have to face, especially in the children's session? So here, child labor we identified mainly into four problems. Those are child labor and also malnutrition, child marriages, illegal adaptation, and begging and child abuse and trafficking. Coming to the child labor. So child labor, so under 18 age, so a lot of members they are doing the child labor working. So that time the PO is very important. So they need to understand the situations like poverty, racism, and inequality. So those who are maintaining the inequality, so you should engage that children's and you have to inform the certain conditions. The child marriages. So when they are involved in the child marriages, lot of problems they are facing, especially in the lack of the health and lack of the care and unwanted the pregnancy, and also so those who are involved in the child marriages, so especially they are made in the high risk physical and sexual activities. So we are coming to the rights. What are the rights for the education? So especially we want to highlight the education of the right to education, right to survival, right to protection, right to participation, and right to development. These are the main concepts we need to identify and we need to implement these situations. Then illegal adaptations and begging. So here in the conditions nowadays what happened? So illegal adaptation is going on. So that's why what you want to do, what you don't want to do, do's and don'ts. So we need to first we have to tell the don't do. So somebody they are approaching the nursing faculty and public relatives and also the medical faculty. So they are not approaching the registration formats. Registration are like authorized agencies they are not approaching. So they are not only that. So unauthorized agencies are non-government, some unauthorized non-registration areas are there. You don't approach there. Then also don't pay the money when you are going to the adaptation. Don't pay the money, and also you have to give proper information. So when your Aadhaar card, identity, everything you have to give the proper information. Don't give the incorrect information. So what you want to do means so some are the recognized agencies there. You identify that. Then you have to approach there only. Only authorized agencies also you need to approach. Not only that, you either the guidelines are there. First you have to, when website is there, you have to read and you have to thoroughly follow the proper guidelines. In the website they are giving everything is nowadays everything is white. Fair. Here the complete registrations are required. So when you are going to the adaptations, complete registration is required. So you have to identify there. Then you have to follow the schedule 13 rules. You have to follow the schedule 13 rules and governing the adaptations, especially in the children. They mentioned in the they implemented GOs in 2015 governing adaptation rules. That rules must and should you have to follow the guidelines only. Without the guidelines, you cannot adapt the children. Then you have to involve in the especially the child abuse. So why you want to involve in child abuse? So here nowadays a lot of problems they are facing, especially in the anxiety, suicidal depression, and including the poor language and cognitive development. These are the things that happen, especially. So what we want to do, so our Anjali madam will discuss. So I mentioned only the problems and rights. So now we will move on to the Anjali.
Now let us see how to overcome these child issues. So we know we have to maintain good parent-child relations. So as child is starting from a family, we need to maintain a good relation between a child and parent. We need to know about the problems facing by the child, and we need to give the awareness, and we need to give whether it is a good touch or bad touch. That means every girl should know what is a good touch and what is a bad touch. Next you can see talk to your child and create awareness. So not only to your child, you need to talk to your volunteers and you need to talk to your community. So in that way, if you are talking to them, you should create awareness about this particular issues. If you are creating awareness, you can overcome the problems. Next, parental protection. So you need to protect your own child. If you are protecting today's child, they'll become a wonderful citizens tomorrow. And next, educate the elders about marriage. So child marriage is a main problem facing by the society. So if you are educating your own volunteers and elders in the community about marriage, child marriage, when you are doing this child marriage, how a girl is facing a lot of problems, health issues, even early pregnancy. If early pregnancy is there, it is going to leads to the death of the particular child. So if you are creating about awareness about the marriage, and then you can solve the many problems. commission for child rights. If you are consulting this particular agency, they will protect the child rights and they will protect the child and they will become good citizens tomorrow. And you can see the helpline number 1098. You can contact this particular number and you can give information about all these problems. Okay, so next you can see APSC PCR chairman K. Apparao garu and K. Sitaram garu. Today we met them. You can consult them and you can overcome all these problems. Okay, thank you.
Good evening, one and all. Madam, sir, the child issues గురించి NSS యాజ్ ఏ NSS POగా NSS వాలంటీర్స్కి ఈ సమాజంలో తీసుకువెళ్ళడానికి ఇష్యూని మేము ర్యాలీ ద్వారా సమ్ క్యాచీ స్లోగన్స్ని ఐడెంటిఫై చేసి వాళ్ళ చేత ప్రిపేర్ చేయించి మేము సొసైటీలోకి కమ్యూనిటీలోకి తీసుకెళ్తాం సార్. అలాగే ఈ సోషల్ ఇష్యూకి సంబంధించిన ఈ ఇష్యూని స్టూడెంట్స్ వెళ్ళేసి వాళ్ళు లెక్చర్ మెథడ్లో చెప్పే కన్నా వాళ్ళకి స్కిల్స్ ద్వారా రోల్ ప్లేస్ ద్వారా అలాగే కొన్ని కల్చరల్ యాక్టివిటీస్ ద్వారా మనం సమాజంలోకి కమ్యూనిటీలోకి తీసుకెళ్తే వాళ్ళకి బాగా కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. అలాగే మనం కోరుకున్న చేంజ్ని తీసుకురాగలమని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను.
థ్యాంక్ యూ ప్రొఫెసర్ రామచంద్రరావు గారు, ఎంత బాగుంది. మీరు నెక్స్ట్ కొంచెం ఇల్లీగల్ అడాప్షన్ కవర్ చేశారు, కానీ మనకి ఇల్లీగల్ డ్రగ్ యూజ్ అని అర్థం కాదు. మనకి వీళ్ళు కొన్ని ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్ వాళ్ళు ఇన్వాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నారు. అటువంటి జుడినైల్ జస్టిస్ బాలల న్యాయ చట్టాలు వాళ్ళు కూడా కొంచెం చైల్డ్